everyone, welcome back to our channel, and we're back again with another tutorial video. So for today, I'll be teaching you on how to see deleted messages from your WhatsApp. But first, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you will always be notified with our new uploads. So to start, let's go to my settings. Let's check if I have a notification history on my settings. So you can see here that I don't have a notification history on my settings. So what we're going to have to do is to download an app called Activity Launcher. If you don't have this app, just go to your Google Play Store and you can download it there. So this is how the app looks like. So at the search bar, let's type notification history. Okay. And then here, let's just turn this one on. And then, after doing that, I'll be sending messages from my other phone. Just wait for a minute. Okay. Let's just wait. So as you can see here, I'm receiving messages from my other phone. Okay. And then I'll also be deleting these messages from my other phone. Okay. And then, okay. So as you can see here, there are a lot of deleted messages. So in order to see this, let's go back to the notification history. And now you can see that I have messages on my WhatsApp that are deleted. And then here, as you can see, these are the messages that were deleted from my WhatsApp. So through notification history, you will see all the deleted messages from your WhatsApp. So I hope this video helped you out. And if you have any questions or comments, just comment it down below. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all on our next video.